landscape of weight management is shifting faster than most of us can keep up with. And at the center of that whirlwind is the rise of digital health platforms like Willow. We have moved past the era where your only option was a cold exam room and a stack of confusing brochures. Now, we are looking at a model that prioritizes your time and your home environment. Willow focuses heavily on providing access to compounded semaglutide, which is a significant departure from the standard retail pharmacy experience. Instead of navigating the high costs and supply chain issues of name brand versions, this program utilizes a guided system to help people access the medication they need through a streamlined online portal. It all kicks off with a very specific health assessment. You are not just clicking boxes. You are providing a roadmap of your physical history and your future health goals. This data goes straight to a licensed medical professional. This is the gatekeeper moment. They're looking to ensure that your body is a good candidate for a GLP-1 program before anything moves forward. If you are approved, the medication is sent right to your house. No pharmacy lines, no awkward conversations in a waiting room. It is just you and your treatment plan. One of the most refreshing things about this specific program is the honesty regarding the timeline. They do not promise that you will wake up a different person tomorrow. They emphasize that semaglutide is a tool that works on your brain and your gut to change how you perceive hunger and how your body processes fuel. For some, the noise of constant cravings just starts to fade into the background. For others, it is a slower burn. It is a process of biological recalibration. Because this is a prescription strength medication, the oversight is not just a suggestion. It is the whole point. You have to respect the science behind how these hormones affect your system. Side effects are a real factor that requires professional guidance to manage. Willow positions itself as the ongoing support system for that journey, making sure you are not just left to figure it out on your own after the package arrives. They are trying to marry the ease of an app with the responsibility of a clinic. It is a fascinating evolution in how we treat metabolic issues. This is not a casual wellness trend or a simple bottle of vitamins. It is a serious medical protocol delivered with modern convenience. You have to go into it with your eyes open, understanding that you are making a fundamental change to your physiology. It is about accessibility for the modern world, getting you the tools to take control of your health on your own terms while staying within the guardrails of medical supervision. This reflects a major shift in the medical industry toward patient-centered care that happens where you live, not just where the doctor works. Always remember to have a direct conversation with your primary doctor before starting a journey like this, because your unique health profile is the most important piece of the puzzle. Being informed is your best defense against the hype and your best tool for real success.